Hey everyone, welcome to the wonderful world of video editing with FlexClip. I'm so excited you're here. Creating videos might seem a little intimidating at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. FlexClip is a great tool for beginners because it's super user-friendly. We're going to take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be making amazing videos to share with everyone you know. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, let's get you set up with your very own FlexClip account. It's easy peasy. Just head over to the FlexClip website. You'll see a button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click that. You can create an account using your email address, or you can even use your Facebook or Google account to make it super quick. Once you've entered your information, you're in. Now you have access to all the amazing features FlexClip has to offer. Now that you're logged in, let's take a little tour of the FlexClip Dashboard. This is your control center for all things video editing. Don't feel overwhelmed. It's all very straightforward. At the top, you'll see tabs like Video and Storyboard. These are different ways to create your video. Don't worry too much about those right now. For this guide, we'll mostly be using the Storyboard mode. Okay, now for the fun part. Adding your videos and photos. In FlexClip, you can easily bring in all the media you need to create your masterpiece. See that big plus sign in the middle of the screen? Click on that, and you can choose videos or pictures from your computer. You can also add music here. Alright, so think of the timeline like a storyboard for your video. It's where you'll put all your clips and photos in the order you want them to appear. You can easily drag and drop your media to rearrange things. And hey, if you want to shorten a clip, just drag the edge of it. FlexClip makes it super easy to make basic edits to your video. You can trim clips, which means making them shorter. You can also split clips, which means cutting one clip into two separate clips. These simple tools give you a lot of control over how your video looks and feels. Now let's add some personality to your video. FlexClip has a bunch of fun features like text, music, and transitions. You can add text to introduce a new scene or share a fun message. Music can really set the mood, and transitions make your video look smooth and professional. Experiment with different options and see what looks best for your video. Before you share your masterpiece with the world, it's always a good idea to preview it. Click the play button to watch your video from beginning to end. This is your chance to catch any little mistakes or make any last-minute changes. You did it! You created a video. Now it's time to share it with the world. Click the export button and FlexClip will create a video file that you can download to your computer. You can then upload your video to YouTube, Facebook, or anywhere else you like. And don't forget to subscribe and visit our channel for more videos.